How to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're going to look at this question and answer it. Unfortunately, there is no direct way of transferring an Amazon gift card balance to another Amazon account because it is not a feature provided by Amazon. You see, Amazon's terms and conditions generally do not allow for the transfer of gift card balances between accounts. Now here's a breakdown of what's important to understand. Amazon's system is designed so that once a gift card is redeemed into an account, that balance is tied to that specific account. There are no built-in feature to move that balance to another Amazon account. In the past, some people attempted workarounds, but Amazon has taken steps to prevent this. So be very cautious of any third-party services that claim to be able to transfer Amazon gift card balances. Many of these could be scams. Selling your gift card balances to other people is also something that Amazon prohibits. So what can you do instead? Well, the most reliable way to utilize an Amazon gift card balance is to use it for purchases on Amazon. If you have a friend or family member that you want to share the balance with, you can use your account to purchase items that they want and then have those items shipped to them. So what I'm saying is that direct transfer of Amazon gift card balances between accounts is not a supported feature for now. See you in the next video. Bye for now.